Hello everyone, it's Rocket Jeff Maycheck. How's it going? How's it going? So when you saw me yesterday, for those who saw me, Margie TV, Tweeting My Loves, and Sunny Stormy, I was working on this, had this light on, and I gotta take the tape off next, and I got tape underneath I gotta take off. If you can, I don't know if I can show you. This way. See, I got tape under there I gotta take out. All on underneath is painted. Hopefully there's no more other mistakes. That's what the weather looks like. I think we might get rain. Hey, look, they got a new car. And so I gotta wash these pans for Mom, get everything cleaned up. I helped Mom clean the refrigerator. It's nice and organized. Maybe I'll show you later. I don't know. But this is the other thing. I had spray painted that yesterday. It's nice and silver. And then here is the paint that I had used. And so I used the primer first, all-purpose latex primer. And then I used this Resilience Eternal Moisture Resistance Exterior Arclight Latex. Yep. So I did that. And so now I just got to take the tape off. But shout out to everybody. Shout out Action Gal. How are you? Well, I guess it'd be so much easier if my... What about... It'd be so much easier for me to use two hands. So I will see you in my next upload. And right now, you can fly to the sky and say hi and bye-bye. Thumbs up. Say something about this comment. Say something about this comment. Say something about this video. And then maybe you'll get a pin. If you say something about the video, you might get a pin. If you don't say anything about the pin and you just say thumbs up on first, great, wonderful. Happy for you. So that's it. Okay, I gotta go scream this. I gotta wash those pans and then get this stuff done. And then you just come over here and you say stop in the name of love.